Hello everyone, welcome to Getaroundcars online showroom. Now some cars have an attitude. In this one, this has got a nice attitude. It looks mean, but it's got a lot of good things about it. So let me tell you a little bit more. This is our 2014 14 plate SKODA Octavia VRS. It's a 1.9 turbo diesel CR. And it's a 5-door hatchback. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. And if we start just with the wheels, I said it looks mean. The alloy wheels are diamond cut. We've just had them refurbished, so they're absolutely pristine. And we've also put 4 new tyres on it as well. They were a little bit low, so we decided if we're going to have new wheels on it, we'll have some new tyres. So we did that all round. The vehicle is finished in steel grey, which again makes it look a little bit mean. The grille is finished in black. The headlights are xenons. You've also got extra driving lights, and you've also got daytime running lights as well. In fact, you can see a little bit closer there the new tyres. On the door, it's finished in black, it's capped in black, and you also have side repeater indicators built into it as well. Tinted windows, tinted glass all round. Let's look inside. On the door, firstly we can see it's in great condition. We have electric mirrors, electric windows front and rear. And if we look inside, in fact before we go there, let's just look at the sill. The sill all the way along is in great condition. There's no scuff marks on it. It's been well looked after. The car comes with 2 keys, automatic lights, multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth connectivity. It's got a radio and CD player, air conditioning, it's got heated front seats, 6-speed manual, and the seats are finished in half leather and a black cloth, which I must say are in great condition. There's no damage to them. Even the bolster, the side, as you can see here, there's no sign of any wear at all. It's in good condition. Height adjustment on the driver's seat. If we look in the rear, first impression, lots of leg room. It's a family vehicle, it's a practical vehicle, or it could be a business vehicle. Lots and lots of leg room. Again, the seats are in great condition. You have a huge centre armrest. It has ISOFIX seat fixings for the children's seats. And it's a proper, genuine 5-seater motor car with lots of room for the family. That's really what you need. The fuel filler cap is on the driver's side. And again, let's just have a close look at these alloy wheels again. Beautiful. Diamond cut. To the rear, we have rear parking sensors, twin tailpipes, rear wiper, rear boot spoiler, high level brake light, and if we open the boot area, an enormous boot, an enormous cargo area, look at that. The seat configuration is a 60-40 split, so you can either put one section down or both sections down. It has a cargo rubber mat, which looks in good condition. Again, it looks like it's never really been used. Yeah, it's a great car. Now I know we've said it looks mean and it's got an attitude, but it also has other important factors as well. The CO2 rating is 119, and that means your road tax is only £30 a year. Fuel-wise, staggering figures: urban 52.3 miles to the gallon, extra urban 68.9, and combined 62.8. It's got a top speed of 144 miles an hour and a 0 to 60 figure in 7.9 seconds. It's just about to run out with its MOT, so again, it's going to have a brand new MOT on it. It's had one previous owner, and the car speaks for itself. Great looking vehicle. Now, all our vehicles carry a 3-month parts and labour warranty. If you want to extend it to 12 months, you can. If you're concerned about the coronavirus, please don't worry. All our vehicles are fully sanitised for everyone's protection. But if you're looking for a proper, decent-sized family vehicle that's going to be affordable to run, including road tax, you've really got to consider this. Decent-sized engine, plenty of torque in the engine, plenty of performance there. Let's look on the passenger side. Again, extremely clean. There's no damage on the doors, there's no damage on the sills. Just a well-kept motor car. Looking on the passenger side front, you've also got height adjustment on this one. And again, we look at the sills, there's no damage at all. One final thing I look for, and that is I look down the body. I look to see if there's any car park dents, any bumps, any bangs. This is one of those things that unfortunately it's a fact of life. Cars do get these marks, but I can't see anything on this. I'm going to go around to the driver's side for you. Now we try to be as honest and as accurate as we possibly can when we describe our cars, which really sort of helps for people's making decisions. That's what it's all about. We try to make it as easy as possible. So pick up the phone, give me a call, make an appointment, come and have a test drive. You won't be disappointed. No, there's no marks or dents on that door or panel. Great car. So, we look forward to hearing from you. My name is Jim from Getaround Cars, where cars cost less. You can call me on 07710 858066. Thank you for watching.